Today we're going to talk about using the graphics window in order to draw pictures and show things graphically rather than simply using the text window where we had been typing in simply straight text. I've got two lines here. One it says graphics window title turtle time, and the other one says show turtle. When I run this program, it's going to show a turtle. The turtle is a drawing tool. It's going to have a tiny little pen set into the middle of it, and we can make the turtle move, therefore drawing on the screen. So let's talk about some of the basic commands the turtle has. We can go turtle.move, and then in parentheses, we'll put how far we'd like it to move. All right, so I'll say I want to move forward 20. Let's move forward 20 pixels. If I run the program, move forward 20 pixels rather quickly. He drew a line, okay? End program. I could, to make it a little more obvious, let's see what happens. I put 200 in, so 200 pixels. I run that, it's a little bit more obvious that he's moving, all right? I can make him move backwards. I could do negative 200 pixels. Run that. He's going to go backwards 200. Okay. So we can control, but right now he seems to be moving forward and backwards. That's not all that helpful. So we can go ahead and say 100. I can move forward 100. But then I'm going to say turtle, RTLE, dot turn. And this is where I can specify a number of angles I would like the turtle to turn through. Okay. For those of you guys who are unfamiliar with angles, all right, here's my turtle. Pen here. And he's going to move. If he moves forward, he's not doing anything. But if you have your axis, if I were to type in for him to turn a number of degrees, say 90 degrees, he's going to rotate this way 90 degrees. That'd be 90 degrees. If I said need him to go this way, though, I could say negative 90 degrees. All right, so I can control how much he moves. If I want him to go halfway, I could say instead of 90, we'll get rid of the 90, this. And I want him to go that way. Well, that's going to be this way, 45 degrees. So you can control how much he turns by using the angle command. So, oops, wrong button. Oh, look at this one. Okay. So if we come over here, I'm going to say, okay, I want you to rotate 31 degrees. That's fine. Doesn't really matter. And then turtle move. Go another 100 after you've rotated. We'll run that real quick. Turn, and there he goes. So he went 100, turned, and went another 100. We can also control whether or not he draws with the pen. Okay. So I can say, after he's moved all that, turtle, I feel like I'm talking to him, turtle, pen, up. So the turtle's now going to pick his pen up and not draw. And now I can say, turtle, move, oopsie, dot move. And we will go another 40 that way. Doesn't really matter how far he moves. Run that. Turtle move, turtle turn, pen up, and then he moved without drawing. If I want to put his pen back down so I can use it, we can go pen down. And he'll put his pen back down and start drawing again. Let's have him turn a bit so we don't have to crash into anything. Turtle, I would like for you to, not an angle, turn another 50 degrees. And then turtle, move another 70 pixels. So he's going to move, turn, move, lift the pen up, move, turn, and then go again. All right, so we have a lot of control here over our little turtle friend. Okay. Other little commands that sometimes matter. You may need to get the position of the turtle. So you might need to know where he is on the screen, because we can go turtle.x, and that'll give us the x position on the xy axis of where the turtle is. So for example, I could, after all this moving, I'm going to go graphics window.title equals turtle.x plus turtle.y. Right? And at the end, it will tell me in the title, it's going to change from turtle time to exactly the location of the turtle. It's giving me a lot of decimals for the XY position of the turtle, but he's at about 461 and 9 on the XY axis. Okay, sometimes you might need to know exactly where the turtle is. Okay, your guys' task now is to use these tools. Okay, and if you need more, there's just type turtle. And over here on the right-hand side are all the different tools the turtle can do. But you can do it with these basic ones. You have a task. Your task is to get the turtle to do the following. Construct a square. Construct an equilateral triangle where all the sides are exactly the same side, no bit sticking out. Okay? And a stick figure with as much detail on them as you can get. And that's going to be your first task. Post the code to the group in Schoology. Thank you.